Hey guys, hope everyone is great. Uh, Today I'm gonna deploy a machine learning model to Heroku using Flask. So the task or the project which I'm doing right now is predicting the salary of an employee. So I have created my own dataset. This is a beginner project, so the code will be really simple and easy. And for my dataset, you can even download it from Kaggle. The link is in the description. So let's get started by importing all the required libraries. Import and so data frame welcome. So I have stored my data frame here in my local disk, so that will be the link path. Sorry. So let's run my code. So as you can see, the data frame which has the column names experience, test score, and interview score, and salary. It's a 20 by 4 matrix, and here you can see in experience column, test score and interview score, we have 9 values. Those are missing values, so we need to get rid of all those missing values before we are creating our model. This is nothing but an exploratory data analysis, so we can handle missing values here. By using tool learning. I'll fill my test score with the mean value. So I'll copy paste the same for our interview score. So as if you see my data frame right now, we'll get rid of all the missing values or NaN values, which is nothing but NaN values. So here you can observe here in row 10 and row 14 we have main values of test score and interview score. So and the other thing here you need to observe that we have words in our experience, so we need to change we need to convert this word into our data like int. So we're gonna do that by defining a function converting into data frame. Actually I have created my own function here, so you can copy paste that. So I will need to return my convert on something over. So we need to separate our training set and test set. So you can go with df and my test set will be. So let's check my data frames which I have over here. So as you can see, we have removed our salary test set, so salary number set. So as I earlier told you that we need to change my word into int, so we're gonna do that. I'm using lambda function, but we need to apply. So you can see my data frame again. Actually, I made a mistake here, guys. You should return word dictionary. So as you can see, if I run this, so you need to run whole code. Okay. So guys, I'm just running my code again. So as you can see, the experience column it's been replaced with integers. So we are all ready for splitting and testing set. Actually, this is a very small data set. So looks like so fitting my model. So I will use pickle to store my model into my disk. So for the final time, I'll run my entire code. So let me check. As you can see here, I have my pickle file. So last thing is we need to compare when loading our model, and we need